Yo! Good morning, family. Welcome in. I got some news for you guys. So today would be our third or fourth day of trading these 150K accounts, but I, for some reason, was rejected on my identity verification process yesterday, so I wasn't able to request my payouts. So I'm contacting support. I have a ticket going, trying to get it all sorted out. It's kind of frustrating. Hey, Work and Saucy, both in here bright and early. Good morning, Kings. So yeah, family, probably not going to be trading the Tradeify accounts today. Gonna probably flip over to maybe some MFF, maybe. What do y'all think? I was gonna let y'all decide what you guys think I should do there. Can't trade our Tradeify accounts today, family. So what do? Do I get some MFFs? One day, Saucy. Always in there bright and early. Good morning, Soul Dweller. Welcome in, King. Appreciate you for stopping by. Guys, I tried to request a payout yesterday. As you can see, we're over the buffer. We can do it, but for some reason, I got rejected on my identity verification. They didn't believe that I'm me, even though I've already done that today. I went through their whole support. I have a ticket going right now, but it even said that once you pass their verification process, you don't have to do it again. So I don't know why I have to do it again. But this time, for some reason, they failed me. So if I go to request payout, it says verification rejected. They couldn't identify that I'm me. So I have a ticket going with support right now, so I won't be able to trade those. I'm thinking maybe running some MFF accounts in the meantime. What do you guys think? Good morning, Dave. Welcome in, King. I've got a combine locked and loaded. Good morning, guys. Dave, you're a dog. Don't forget it. Let's go, Sausadelic. Love the energy this morning, King. And you got a count going. Let's get it rolling. Good morning, Queen. Welcome in, Danny. Lucid. You know, it's not a bad option. I'm not going to lie, though. These rapid playing accounts are pretty sexy, guys. There's no max payout. So you can take up to 100K account or 100K out of these accounts. There's no consistency. There's no max payout buffer. Oh. This is crazy too. I'm thinking either these rapid plans, which is no max payout, so you could take a fatty out of that, or maybe even use the discount code if you use MFF. YouTube is the code. Should get you 20% off on one of the accounts. Let's go. I appreciate that, Queen. Good morning, Braun. Welcome in, King. Joel, I appreciate it. We had a good day yesterday. Hit some good trades. Could have done better, but whatever. Santiago, good morning, King. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm either thinking about these. I am thinking about maybe some Lucid or also some Take Profit Trader. Seems decent. Because these also don't have a payout cap. I think I just typed my password wrong there. Multi-factor, later. We'll do that later. We're in here. Count size 50K, please. Create new 50K account. You have 6. Can you have 6 take profits? Isn't that true? 6 accounts over here. Possibilities. Yeah, guys, it's frustrating. They never. I failed to verify. Has Tradeify already removed the requested amount from your balance? No, Dave. So for some reason, I went to go request my payout yesterday, and doing so, you had to verify my identity, even though I've already gotten payouts from them. But if I go to my payout history, like you can see, I've been paid out like 11 times from them. So for some reason, I had to verify my identity a second time. Not sure why. Well, going through their support, they said I shouldn't have had to do that. But going through it a second time, they failed me. And meaning I couldn't request a payout. So if I go to the dashboard and I request the payout, it says I can't. So I have to wait. I have a ticket going with support to try to get this figured out. But in the meantime, I want to be trying to pass some other accounts. I'm thinking maybe MFF, maybe TPT, maybe TPT is good because there's no max payout. So I'm trying to decide. except for the fact that it's trailing drawdown. That's the only thing that's shitty about that. I will not touch your Tradeify accounts today, then just wait. That's what I'm thinking about. FTMO is goated. You're for sure right about that word. Been around for a while. Left for Good and Dying to Love are worth listening. Saucy, they are amazing songs. Let's go. Vines, good morning, King. Welcome in. D, welcome. What up, King? Welcome in. Welcome in, King. All right, so what are we thinking, family? This has a trailing drawdown, doesn't it? 50K has a trailing drawdown. Damn, 170 for a 50K is pretty crazy. I'm sure I could use a code maybe, but daily loss limit is not a part of it anymore. 6 contracts, profit target 3,000, end of day trailing drawdown. It's kind of a nice little thingy there. Isn't TPT trailing? Let me figure this out. No, I don't have a ticket. I just wanted to see you guys' rules. I just wanted to see your guys' rules. Why do they not have it listed anywhere? Very clean or clear at all. Pro account or a Pro Plus account? Is that the Pro account? Test rules. The 6 score rules. Hit your target. Do not exceed. Yeah. That makes sense. Is this the Pro account? I don't know, family. What do we think? What do we think? Still working to pass the 150K account. TPT is trailing when you pass. It's trailing when you pass. What's the buffer for when it stops trailing, Queen? Do you know? Yo, welcome in, Saucy. I got here first day. Let's go. Let's go, Sav, on the new trade station. Happy to have you back, King. On the main page. Still working to pass the 150K account. You got that, Vines. I love TPT. Her theatrics are good. Pro is once you pass. Got you. Check out MFF. MFF is good, Victor. You're not wrong. MFF is solid. I kind of want to run their rapid plan. There's no max payout. It's 9-to-1 split. So this is the only account where they have a 9-to-1 split. And if you do get these, then there's no max payout. So you can take out, hypothetically, a lot. Even though the pro plan says you can take out up to 100K. I'm not sure if the same regards for the rapid plan. I haven't really... It's not very clear, but I think this is what I'm going to run with. Making my daughter try eggs again this morning. Is she a fan or no? You said the way you said try makes me seem like no. Yes, her face shows all the emotions. They're reliable and pay fast. Go with take profit. I just don't know if I love the trailing drawdown, even though these rapid things are trailing as well once you're past. So, got to pay out today. Let's go, Wildflower! Congratulations, Queen. Incredible. I think they are more professional. Take profit. Yeah, a lot of people have been saying take profit. They're one of the best around right now. Must be the way I cook them. I got her grandpa making them this time. I laughed my ass off. Hopefully she loves them. Hopefully Isla takes them in today, King. For today, guys, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for longs above the 445s. I'm looking for a break and retest of that 445 of my NQ. If we break above, get break under. Come back now, we break under the 404s. I like that, D. We'll see what happens, King. 100K is for all accounts. It's for all the accounts. Or you could try Apex and do a one-day pass. I'm looking for shorts down to the downside all the way to the 242s. If we start off the back going down, I'm looking for that zone of the 240s to be hit. Then I want to see buyers stepping into the 204s. Got that Siri going again, D. Have you tried French toast yet, Sabs? Might be a better way to introduce it. Is that even introducing it, though? You're just giving her bread. W is Queen for sure. What's going on where you're getting new evals? Didn't you just take a payout for like 50 million yesterday? Yeah, Sabs. For some reason, I rejected my verification. So, if you go to my payout history, I've already been through this process. For some reason, they wanted to re-verify who I am. And so if I go to request payout on these accounts, for some reason, it's not letting me. I have a support ticket going right now with their support, but I obviously won't be able to trade these today until they get it figured out. You can't trade news without profit, though, right? I don't think so. Good morning, Maddox. Welcome in, King. Sorry, you Siri for the type. Bread mixed with eggs. Balanced diet, as Tim would say. You know how I feel about bread sauce. Good morning, Gold. Welcome in, King. That's annoying. It is annoying, Victor. Not sure why. I want to be trading these today, obviously, but let's see what market has. Market's opening up here in a couple minutes. I want to get these accounts bought. I can't decide what I want to try. Cannot decide what I want to try. Dun, 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 dun. I'm between take profit or MFF, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know real quick. Spam it in what you think I should do. I'll Tradeify for that. I'll top step. I'll everyone. Everyone for now. For sure, GPT. Love the energy. They're not letting you trade. Well, I'm just going to be safe. I could trade the accounts, but then if I took a loss, it would go shitty. So if I took a loss, I don't know if I could take a payout. So Tangela says MFF. Work says MFF. Vine says take profit. First one to hit 4. First one to say 4. I'll take one prof. I'll take another one of those pods if we're doing carbs. Don't trade the accounts. I'm not, GPT. That's why I'm trying to decide. Take profit. We're 2-2 split right now. Y'all got to decide. We're 2-2 split. First one to 4 I'm going to do. We have 2 MFF, 2 take profit. What do y'all want to see? There's 3 MFF. 3 MFF, 2 take profit. There's 3-3. And Galaxy decides for MFF. Sorry, Dave. Dave and Danny both want Lucid. Take profit is trailing is annoying. That's fair. MF Rapid has a trail. So does TPT though, Corey. Corey has take profit has a trail once you pass. I'm going to try it. Fuck it. We're going to give it a try, family. Get out of here with Top Step Sobs. All right, I'm going to run these MFF Rapid accounts, guys. It's a 2-day pass, $1,500. Market just opened up. We broke below the VWAP. I haven't even looked at the price action yet. I was still stuck in there. Let me see if I made a fumble yesterday. I think I did. A little bit. I mean, I could have made a bag on that first trade. That's pretty frustrating, yeah. Where I got in at this short, we came back in this trend line, pushed back up, would have stopped me for break even before getting down there. Feels classic. But now today's range, we opened up. I haven't even looked at this at all. Let me get these accounts purchased real quick, family. Let me get y'all aligned first, though. Here's the daily chart. Kind of wicked at the EMA on the daily. Came down into a range yesterday. Let me get this a little bit bigger so I can see. Tapped into this bottom of the support where we bounced off a few times here historically. Kind of look like we're going to auction to the upside here, but we'll see what happens. So I'm kind of a little bit bullish, but kind of bearish, kind of sideways on the daily. Let's see what the hourly is. Inconclusive on the daily there. Hourly is also pretty choppy. Coming back up into this wick spot where we had a lot of resistance up here at these 400s, 420s, 430s. Above the 4s is a lot of stickiness. Selling into the VWAP right now. So overall, family, not seeing a whole lot. Be patient. Wait for good setups. I'm going to get these accounts purchased. Good morning, King. Why not Lucid? Ty, do you have Minecraft music going on in the background? It's not Minecraft music. It's their normal song, Sauce. Why not Lucid? I have no reason. I like Lucid a lot. It's just, I'm pretty sure it's max payout. There's a reason actually, let me look real quick. Let me look at Lucid real quick. Because it was everyone was balanced. It was like 4 to 5 take profit, 4 to 5 MFF, a couple Lucid, so I'm in a weird spot. Like, I really just want to be trading my MFFs. I mean, not my MFFs. You guys know what I'm talking about. I want to be trading the Tradeifys. Log in. Damn. $50K flex is $2K max payout per 5 days. See, that's what I don't like right there, Dave. I don't like a 2K max. It's not very solid. Has no cap on the daily payout after the buffer, and the rest do anyway. That's my take. What's the max? What's the buffer though, Corey? Because I mean, MFF has a 100K max payout too. Hypothetically, I'm not going to take out. I mean, I could take out a $500,000 payout, 100K on 5 different accounts. Definitely possible. I like TPT for that reason as well, but I'm not great at the trailing drawdown, so I want to know what the buffer is. Does anyone know what the buffer is for the TPT accounts or the buffer for the MFF? If whatever one's smaller, I'll run with. TPT has no K. Top Step X is ass. It is sometimes. Opening, we've sold into the VWAP. We're auctioning above it currently, family. Still not seeing anything super sexy. Be patient today. Tomorrow we have CPI, so we're going to have some really good volatility tomorrow. They changed their payout rules so they can save money on the Super Bowl commercial. Probably, D. I did see that. My friend who makes 5 to 10K per day on trades, 5 Lucid and a few Blusky accounts, Blue Sky accounts. 5K per day. What a king. Hate the buffer, so just do the 150s. Huh? Take profit has no limit. 2,000 buffer on a 50K, 4,500 on the 150. 2,000 on both, huh? No buffer required on Lucid Flex accounts. TPT buffer sucks. Drawdown is 4,500 in the 150K. I see you in TPT. You need 5 days to pass that. No good. You need 5 days to pass a TPT account? Really? Damn, Spitzy. I appreciate the insight. I did not know it's a 5-day pass. Is that true, Corey? What the hell? I think I'm going to run the flex, guys. I mean, the rapid plans on this. Either way, it's a $2,000 buffer drawdown. I don't know. I can't decide. It's funny. Again, I just want to trade my Tradeify accounts, but we can't. I just want to make money on the Tradeify accounts, and we can't. That's what I see on the website. Yeah, 5 days to pass TPT, LOL. Yeah, 5-day pass is brutal, but then it's free sailing. 5-day pass and a trailing drawdown? That's a little bit too much for me. Yeah, minimum 5 days to pass. I have 6 and still trying. I'm going with MFF, family. I can't handle a 5-day pass on top of a trailing drawdown, on top of the fact that they're kind of expensive accounts. Yes, you can get a $500,000 payout. We're going to try it eventually. But for right now, because I really want to just focus on our Tradeify accounts, I'm going to get these rapid plans, 50K accounts. It's a 2-day pass, 1,500, 1,500, and then we're in there. And that's what we're going to go for. So let's get them purchased. I'm going to make these buys real quick. I'm going to make these purchases real quick. Anyone else hate adding their card to like their computer, so I have to make these purchases each time, like every single one? I'm glad that we're not missing a lot in the markets right now, family. I mean, at the end of the day, this is very choppy. Market opening print was at 318s to the 77s, so 60 points back and forth so far. Be patient, wait for good setups. Nothing going on right now. Be patient, wait for good setups. With the code applied, these rapid counts are 125 per account. So, we'll see what happens. MFF feels like the same thing, Corey, in my opinion. Because look, guys, it's a 2-day pass. Max limit of 100K. If you make over 10K in a day, they will move you to live, but I don't know. These rapid playing accounts are pretty good. Currently waiting to be processed. 25% complete. Processing payment. Securely processing your payment, even though it's going very slow. Just take my money already. Yeah, minimum 5 days. I'll see how the MFF work. I suggest Lucid. It may be $1,800 payout cap, but if you do it with 5 accounts, it's 9K profit easy. I know, but every 5 days only making 9K. We're making a lot of points for that. I don't know, Spitzy. I'm running with these MFF guys. We're going to run it, see what it's like. If I can get over that trailing drawdown at 2,000, hypothetically, you could take out $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 payouts. So it's pretty attractive for the accounts. Pretty much the same as TPT, except for the fact that I don't have a 5-day pass. It's pretty much the biggest difference between the two. And with the code, it's a little bit cheaper. TPT, I don't know if there is a code. It's about $126.50 per each account so far, is what I'm seeing. Even though my money is not being accepted, what is going on says 25% complete still. Gosh, nothing is easy today. Can't make this up, family. Like, why wouldn't they just take my money? Why wouldn't they just let me get my $5,000 out of there? Look at this chop, guys. Back and forth. Nothing breaking out so far. Really have today practice some discipline. Nothing setting up that's clean. I can't tell if it worked or not. Gosh, what is going on? 50K rapid. I have accepted the terms. Start your plan. Wait. Cancel. Ooh. It wouldn't let me put. That's so fucking annoying. Oh my god. It doesn't put my order through. So then I go to hit it again and it immediately puts my order through but doesn't put the discount on, so I paid $30 extra for that. Bro, you too good for 36K a month now. Why you say it like that? 9K every 5 days is sick. Danny, it's not that, but yeah, I mean that's a good point. But that's right. That's if you're trading absolutely perfectly. 102 for a 50K account. TPT is 102. Damn, that's actually pretty good. Did you get funded yet? Espresso, we are funded with Tradeify, trying to get their payout there. Had to go through the verification process. We got that at 10 a.m. That's why we're chopping right now. Nasdaq's trying to hold above this VWAP and pushing up. Message them, then I'll refund you. Message then, I'll refund you. Not sure. I think I know what you mean, Queen. I'm gonna message them. Send us a message. Yeah, but you can't even type to them. Messages. Send us a message. It says click here to see all of our options. There's no way to actually type any messages. Still at the VWAP, guys. Nothing's going on right now. Show some love if you guys haven't. We still got to try to hit our 30 like goal today. I'm going to get these accounts purchased really quickly, and then we're going to get in there. Yeah, show some love to the like button. Let's get that smashed. I'm going to buy this second account really quickly. We finally got in here that they're accepting me. All right, let's go purchase this then. I have agreed. Start your rapid plan. NASDAQ finally getting some weight now through the opening print price down into the 311s. Daily opening print candle started at the 289s. Looks like we're auctioning towards that at the moment. I can't believe we can't trade our Tradeify, guys. We got that at 10. Ugly price action. Definitely, Victor. This is ugly right now. They will refund you. Sorry, I try to manage my trade at the same time. I get it, Queen. That short is looking good, Danny. Yo, D, what you seeing? You're above the buffer. You didn't take a payout. Thomas, I am above the buffer. It's not that I wanted to take a payout. I'll show you guys for anyone that missed it. We have these 5 Tradeify 150K accounts. They're all above the threshold. We can request a $1,000 payout. But for some reason, even though I had payout history and I've taken out 11 payouts from them, you guys can see them here, all accepted, all paid. If I go to a dashboard and I go to request it right now, it's saying I'm failed my verification, so they don't believe that I'm me. Actually, I went to the settings and it told me that it thinks I'm a fake person. So I had to go to support. I have a ticket going with them right now to get it figured out. But in the meantime, we can't trade them, or I could trade them, but I don't want to risk, taking a loss and then being stuck there. So just going to keep doing what we're doing right now. Set up some new accounts. We'll have some ready to go in case we can find some success. And everything will be good. I'm also trying to get an affiliate with MFF because I do like them. So maybe this will give them some love towards us. Breaking now, finding some selling on the last couple minutes after rejecting at the 389s. We're down about 120 points below the daily opening print candle price at the 289. So we'll see what happens there. That's number 3. Got 2 more to purchase here, family. Start challenge. Number 4. You're above the buffer. AI tie. AI robot man. Wait, I have the same issue with that red button. Thomas, have you tried verifying? It's weird because I already verified my identity with them previously, and I went through their support and it said once you do it once, you won't have to do it again. But when I went to go request those payouts, I got the red button there. So I don't know why, but I have contacted support. We're trying to get it figured out. There's 40 people watching, family. If you haven't yet, show some love. Let's get these 30 like goal. I know we haven't made any trades yet, but we have 3 of the 4 accounts. Payment failed with current processor. Oh my God. Did you attempt a purchase at MFF? Yes. My bank trying to protect me from fraud. We love it when they're trying to protect us. Oh my good Lord. NASDAQ, let me play, please. This has nothing to do with NASDAQ, but it feels like it. All right, we're in there. Let's go to our accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to purchase 1 more. All right, now we're going to start trading here and make some monies. Or lose these accounts immediately. We're going to find out as a family. You know what I mean? As a family, we're going to find out. Now I need to go make sure that those orders went through. My bank is being weird. This is just a lot. Why? Tradeify, just give me my accounts. Let me trade my monies. We could be making real dollars today. Real big dollar narrows. Real dollars. You know what I mean? That's what I be wanting. Oh my God. NASDAQ selling below the VWAP. The EMA is coming back into play. Trying to get correct here. Trying to get that refund because I actually did it on 2 of the accounts. But I think we're live. So now I'm going to go put these in, family. What's up, Young King? Did you pass the combines yet? Aquan, welcome in, King. I did. I passed the accounts. We're funded. We made some money yesterday. Trying to request a payout, but I got to wait for top Tradeify support, and then we'll take the payout. And so in the meantime, I'm trading some new accounts. 1,500 on 2 different trades on 2 elusive evals. One is 315 from passing. Let's go, Dave. Today's the day for you, King. I'm taking short trades since pre-market. This price action sucks. It does suck. I'm up 800 with 1 contract on sells at the 297s. Good sell up there, D. Hope it plays. I missed my entry. Still 0 trades for me. Hey, not bad, Victor. Be patient. We're going to find some good opportunities. The 15-minute range is in. Give me a second here, family. What were you doing trading before trading? I've been working ever since I was like 17, 18. Been working hard. Well, when I dropped out of college for freshman semester, I've been working ever since, but I was working even before that. Take profit, it takes 5 days, but on the 6th, you can get past the buffer and get a payout. On MFF, you have to pass and then have trade for 5 days. I'm done today. Took that short up 1,200. Took the short up 1,200 and got a payout. Let's go, Wildflower. I'm done trading. I got 958 from the short from the 290s to 290s, 249s to 297. Love seeing it, Dave. 500 tomorrow to pass. 500 tomorrow, D, to pass, and you're in there, King. All right, we got what we needed. Let's get these signed in now. Go to my accounts. Find my information. Credentials. Let's go ahead and log out of this right now. Go pull it back up. Tradeify. Username. Bam. Password. Bam. Log me in. Yes. Yes. Accept. I believe you. I love you. Let me play. Can I play, please? Rapid accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, family. We have 5 rapid accounts. We got to manage our groups. Let's go ahead and call it. Oh, I'll just do 5 50K's. $50K's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Save. Perfecto. All right, we're in here. Officially trading for some real dollars again. Today's a 2-day pass with these accounts, so I can make 1,500 twice. Early selling print candle. Let's get our 15-minute range drawn up so I can stay aligned. Shapes, rectangle. Here's our daily opening print price. To the 45s. Pretty crazy to see a low be taken on that 15-minute range. Trying to tap back into the bottom of it now. Got some decent volume, but I don't know if we keep pushing higher. I kind of want to see sells more, honestly, here. Turn trade mode on. I'm going to try 1 contract right here, family. Up at this daily opening print price. Not sure if I'm going to get another fill now that we're trying to push back through this EMA. I feel a little bit late. We try to push through the bottom of the range. We're trying to hold, but I still see more selling. Breaking back below the EMA. Of course, I'm not going to get my fill. We have news at 10. Pat, way to keep me aligned, King. Might be enough for me to take this order off, honestly, then. If we can't get a quick fill. Looking for a short below this 15-minute range and this EMA. Strong hourly support towards the lows. Give me a little tap, maybe. Maybe a little tap-a-rooney there. Stops are going to be above this previous swing high, so I'm risking about 20 points here. 19 points. Can you give me a fill, though? Make sure you select the group. Look at you right there, saving me, Tangela. No, that is big right there. Thank you, Queen. Now I can put my order in. Now I'm going to get filled, too. just because you saved us right there. Make sure you select the group. Good morning. Welcome in. Yeah, Ina showed it 304s to 320s. I don't mind the 304s. 320 feels decent, but I don't know if we're going to get up there right now. I like the 320 idea. Below the 50% of the range. If I take a stop here, I'm going to join that for my second try. Tyler, no tilting. Close your Tradeify chart ASAP. I think I did. 2, 3, 4, 5. I did close my Tradeify. No tilting today. You keep track of your overall ROI against the prop firms. Just curious how you manage that. Of course, I have a spreadsheet where I track all my profit and losses, so I know what I'm actually making. So I know what my real expenses are and my profit is. You keep track of your overall. I'm interested in long, but higher the time frame is bearish. Higher time frame is bearish, and we found some rejection below the 50-minute range. So I'm looking for the sells right now. We have news dropping in 5 minutes. I wanted to tap into this price, but it's rejecting me. Painful. Excuse me. I'm gonna take this order off now. We're pushing lower. TPT Asia low, then maybe take a little bouncy bounce. We'll see what happens. I like that idea, Corey. Overnight lows coming into play over here at the 206s. Bot versus payouts, etc. Yes, sir. Might head to the 218s. Getting that volatility right now, Wildflower. Guys, I wanted to be in there up at that. See how quick I was? Oh, goodness, give me that. Down 600 on my eval. That's nothing. I'm short from the 289s. I love it. Good entry, King. That was exactly the price I wanted to get at that daily opening print price. Good sell. Great sell, Victor. Let's go. We're in here, family. There's 44 people watching. Go ahead and show some love to the like button if we haven't yet. Let's get that button smashed. Hit our 30 like goal. Let's see if we can get some love going on here. Yes, it was supposed to be applied. To all 5. There goes the sells into the 206 lows, tapping into the bottom of the range there. I'm in the conversation with this support ticket. A little disappointed in Tradeify right now for not getting back to me yet. This is kind of frustrating, guys. L Tradeify for that at the moment. Straight up. I wanted to add more to 2-300s, but didn't get it. I love it. Love to add to a winning trade, Victor. That's how you get better. Got into 285s, almost at my TP. Let's go, Soul Dweller. News in 3 minutes. Be careful, peeps. Great discipline, Saucy. Let people know. Quick short there. Guys, I wanted that 285, 289 entry so bad. I missed my fill. Oh, goodness. It is a yellow full. It's going to be medium impact, but still news nonetheless. Tomorrow we have CPI, so protect your accounts. Keep everything alive for Friday. It's going to be exciting. TP is the 190s. I like it. We're going to come hunt for you right now, King. I want to see it get smashed for you right now, King. 95s. Teasing you. Tapped into the 92s. Teasing you down there, Victor. But it's coming for you. There it is. I think you got flashed. News here in 1 minute. We're creating some imbalances. Strong hourly bull sellish candle again. Let's see where we're coming into for previous day range. Coming up down into the support line. Interesting nonetheless. 186s, that's a full TP. One runner. Way to learn from my mistakes yesterday. Let it run. Scale out and let your profits run. Maybe you can keep seeing this thing printing lower. Trying to take a trade, but I can't at the moment. Still disappointed in Tradeify for not getting back to me. It's kind of frustrating, guys. Like, what are you doing? This is a trade I would have taken on my my Tradeify accounts. I don't know if I would have got chopped up in this bullshit, but this is something I totally would have taken. This rejection at the bottom of the 15-minute range. We had a strong candle closure of the 15 minutes. Oh, actually, wait a minute. I think I drew this wrong. That's the 15-minute range. Is that the 51? That's the 15-minute range. And try to push up, just got completely rejected. Never came back up to it. Got rejected this daily opening print price. How do you possibly take a short here? Down here you can't, Sassy. Down here you just can't do it. You got to be patient now. You got to wait for some good setups. $1,500 to pass these accounts. 2-day pass, and then once you're past, it's a trailing funded above 2,000 or trailing drawdown above 2,000. Wouldn't mind a short here at this EMA, possibly. Close eyes, click button. That is a strategy, so it is. Close eyes and click button right here at this EMA. Getting some decent displacement off these 178s. If we get a closure anywhere in around these 51s, I'd like it. Retest back towards that price. Holding above the EMA at the moment. Volume starting to come back in now. That's a decent volume candle in my opinion. If we get a closure above the 51s, I would like a long chance at these 34s. Got out on the runner. Now I'm gonna wait for your trade. Let's go, Victor. Glad you made some money on that, King. Want to see a closure above these 51s, and then I'll take a retest on this EMA price of these 30s. Let structure build out. It's looking pretty strong right now. Strong volume from the longs off the lows. Have a couple targets above we could find. If I don't get the entry down here that I want to see and get, then we could look for a possible short back around that VWAP price, which would round there be the bottom of the 15-minute range. Can you smell that crisp Hawaiian air within a hint of a low tide in it? Sauce, you have no idea. Oh, I'm getting so excited, family. Officially like 3 weeks, a little bit less than 3 weeks, and I'm at, I'm gonna be in Hawaii, you know? Toes in the sand, wind in the hair type of thing. All this hair. Disappointed in Tradeify. Still hasn't gotten back to me, even though it's a brand new trading day. Like, what are you guys doing? Yeah, I would wait for him from here. Definitely going to be patient. I want to see a closure above these 51s, especially now we have a flat price there. Get a closure above the 50s, and I'm going to retest towards these 30 prices, 37s or so. I'd take a nice long. Otherwise, we got to be more patient. Got to see some type of signal for reversal here. Ooh, excuse me. Strong selling though off that imbalance. Did not get a closure through there. This might be another test towards these lows. Still getting hourly displacement. Still not seeing a lot of sexy setups. We had that one opportunity at the daily opening print price to take a continuation sell. Did not get my fill. Now we're just hanging out. Starting to see a decent reaction though. Some liquidity we could take out if we start holding above this. Still like the longs to potentially grab a spot here. Waiting for an opportunity. I'm still contacting the support. They said I can't trade on these accounts if I wanted that refund for that $60. I want my $60 back. Yeah. Like, what the hell? Why is today being so weird? I like longs here. I like longs at this EMA tap. I like a long at this EMA tap here. I can't take it because I'm waiting for this support to get back to me. God. What a day. You know, what a day. Not the closure you want to see if you did take that long. Might be testing back towards this previous spot. I expect volume to start picking up here soon though. Want to see them reclaim the EMA if you're in this. And there's the weight against us. Well, I guess that's a blessing. Drop the likes, fam. Hope everyone has a great day. Be patient. Let's go, Pat. Truly hope everybody's doing great today. I know a couple people already had some smashing trades. Wildflyer took a payout. D passed his 40% of this day. Victor did well. Dave's almost passing his accounts 350 away from theirs. There's a low sweep right there. Nasdaq taking out between the 174s or 177s. I mean, there's the 174s. Pass my TPT account. Woo! Let's go, Queen. She's telling me MFF and she's trading TPT the whole time. After a 5-day pass, let's fucking go, Danny. See you all tomorrow. Closer to 2K followers. It's coming. We're getting there, Dave. I appreciate it, King. Enjoy the rest of your night. We'll see you in the morning. Long one at 82. Long one at 82 after a sweep of the lows. I don't mind it, Sauce. See if we can get up there. Path to take profits today. Joel and Danny. Come on, family. Passing TPT accounts like it's nothing. No, I know you're trading MF2. I know. But TPT on the side, I like that. Well, TPT on the side. Got to start seeing some volume here if you're long. You want to see this bottom be supported. Now that we broke through this low, you don't want to see us reclaiming below that again. Targeting 235. I actually don't like your target, Sauce. If you're grabbing this long, you should be looking for us to snap through this flat price of the 250s. If you're getting in down here, because what you're essentially saying is you're going to be setting a lower high with a 235 exit. You'd be saying that we're going to continue this downward trend, which is kind of interesting. Yeah, it's a 25K account. Let's go. Love it, Queen. Bunch of profitable traders in here. Let's go. That's absolutely subs. Best community around. 100%. I'd say if you get a break back above this EMA with a closure, Sauce, you can put your break even on down here at the 82s. And then from there, you should be looking for a rotation higher. Oh, you're trading off the account balance? Got you. Got you. If that's the only 1,500 that you need. Why did they reply to me and now I haven't heard from them 20 minutes later? I hate support. My fucking God. Tradeify, let me get my payout. Anna, on your support team for MFF, give me my $60 back. And then let's move forward as a family, as a group. So I can do my trading, please. I'm sitting sidelines. Have a great day, guys. I'm getting off. Hey, congrats, D, on your $1,000, King. Take it easy. Now I'm down 600 before this. Would have put me comfortably up 400. Just want to gain control again. Don't trade account balance, Saucy. It's not how you get better. Looks like you might be getting tagged for break even anyway. We got a closure above the EMA, so your break even should roughly be on anyway at the 82s. You almost just got flashed out there. Thanks, King. Hope you get your money today. Appreciate it, D. Breathe, Saucy. Trade setups. Definitely. Good advice, Queen. Trade setups, trade this chart. Don't trade for account balance. There's a break-even trade anyway. You'd have been tagged out of that. Still auctioning at the lows. I like longs here a lot still, family. I like longs here a lot, though. If you didn't get tagged out, I like this a lot stronger than it was previously. Decompress selling volume coming into the previous low. Here comes the swing. Did you get tagged out? Well, I'm glad you didn't get out yet, Sauce, then. If we get a closure back above this EMA, you better put it on this time. Stop loss is 163, still in. I like that. If we get a closure back above this previous swing high at these 13s, put your break even on and then target higher. If we get a closure above this EMA, this previous swing high, I'd put your break even on at 82 and then I'd move my profit higher towards closer to like these 48s, 49s. But that's if we can get the momentum. Got to get a closure. I don't love that volume tried to pick up, but they're still getting rejected from the sellers right now. That's not a good closure. We got to get above the EMA there. It could still happen, but wanted to see some volume. Could come in at any moment, though. Got to get through this flatness. Any push above this price, Sauce, I'd be putting my break even on. Don't need to be risking unnecessary money here. Any trades today? Estonian day trader, welcome in, King. First thing I think I've seen you in the family. No trades from me yet today. I would have taken this 289 short. I missed a fill. I've been trying to purchase some new accounts. I have my Tradeify 150K accounts, but we have to wait for a payout from support. So I'm just sitting here trying to let things add up. It's kind of a interesting day all around. Just interesting. Just interesting, you know. Estonia, though, that's badass. Welcome in from across the world. The Estonian assassin. That's what I think of when I see that. Any payouts this year? Yeah, we made $5,000 yesterday, actually. And I have some accounts that are above the buffer, so I could hypothetically make some more money tomorrow. I was going to probably try to trade them today, but... Yep, Ari Maddie, absolutely. Absolutely. Estonian assassin. Hilarious. That's my type of guy right there. Estonian day trader, I appreciate you for being here, man. It means a lot. But yeah, we made 5K yesterday. That was my first payout of 2026. And hoping to make some more tomorrow. Break evens are on, Saucy. You should be riding this. Hoping to make some more tomorrow. I was trying to trade my Tradeify accounts right now that are above the buffer. If you check it out. If you check it out, check it out. We're above the buffer here. Could ask for a $1,000 from each one, but they say they don't believe that I'm who I am, so I have to be patient. Contact support. I have a ticket going right now to get 1,000 out of each one of these accounts, and then I'll still have 3,600 in and can run them up. So right now, not trading the Tradeify accounts, trying to be patient. I want to, but we got to be smart, because if I took a loss, I don't know how they would treat my payout, so I got to be patient. Nice candle closure there. Break even should be on, Saucy, and you should be comfortably riding this. Got to get a closure above these 50s, 48s, 49s. I am this year, 8K plus payouts this year. Let's go. Way to be profitable. Proud of you, King. Good trading. Hopefully can match that tomorrow with another payout. Hopefully can match that with another one. I grabbed it up 400 now. Why did you get out, Sauce? You're trading emotionally, in my opinion, friend. Why'd you get out of that? Why? For what reason? I don't think we break this. There's a lot more reasons saying that we do that we don't. But hey, still W trade. You're back to green, buddy. Proud of you for that. But break evens and trust. Break evens and trust. Because if you're always doing that, then you're gonna always be acting like that's just. It's just not. You're not practicing good trading habits with that exit. You know what I mean? Not practicing good trading habits with that type of an exit, especially when you held through the drawdown. 400 is better than nothing, though. 400 is better than tilt. Absolutely. These are true facts. But also, if you want to be practicing good trading habits to actually set up long-term discipline so you can find long-term success in this game. Taking quick exits before the chart tells you to is, from experience, not ideal. And look at us starting to hold. What'd I tell you to get? What'd I tell you to target? 48s? So we didn't even get there yet. We'll see, we'll see. Yeah, it may not have been the best play, but I'm okay with the decision. Well, then I like that. I like that. As long as you're okay with it, King. Even if we rip up fucking to the EMA, to the daily print price and VWAP, as long as you're okay with it. Again, so what I'm saying, though, is once you put this order in, you're saying that the 82s, which is right here, won't be targeted again before we push higher. And I like that. I like that trade analysis. But we'll see. I could be wrong as well. We had a nice push up to the 46s, which means you got 36, 34. You had a good trade. You did well. Yeah, but you have to mentally be ready. To be mentally ready for sure, Wildflower. Hey, Kings, remember that no trade day is a winning day. Motez, absolutely, King. Welcome in, brother. No trade days are winning days, 100%. If it was a revenge trade to begin with, I understand why you got out when green, but yeah, otherwise stick to the plan. Let's go, Danny. Just trying to help you out, King, long term. You don't want to trade. Number one, you put your price in at, you just put your price at an emotional price, not what the chart was saying. And then, which is just, again, I just want to help you get true execution, but you're doing well. Get this account passed. That's first and foremost, number one. The account pass first and foremost, number one. 23 likes now, Ty. Show some love. For my style, I'd rather prep for possibly ranging here as well. It's a little early though, but hey, you're figuring it out. You're still learning, King. 23 likes. Show some love. Thank you, Danny, for sure, dude. How far away from passing Sauce? Tell you what, only thing I've been passing so far today is gas. It's a rough morning. Sorry to hear it, Sobs. Keep showing up. Keep that discipline. Good trades are going to come. I haven't really seen anything of good setups yet. Why am I sitting here still talking to myself in the support ticket? God. Just sitting here with my support ticket, my hand in my pants. But why? No, but why? Does anybody have an idea? I need 1100, Danny. 400 in the green, was down 600, currently up 400. Let's go. $1,000 banger right there. You can't trade these MFFs. I can't, because they said that if I trade them, I don't get the refund until they have to refund me the account, or refund me the... They said if you've taken any trades on them, then we can't refund you, but I haven't taken any trades yet, so they can refund me the $60 that they owe me. And you guys might be like, $60 is $60, but hey, every penny counts in this game, family. Every single penny counts in this game. Sauce, the only reason I'm saying to hold is because it's just going to practice better discipline. So, like, again, your entry down at 182 is such a good entry that your break even should be supported if we're going to continue higher. And that's my only reason there. That's at least half an ounce right there. No, exactly. Exactly, Sobs. Like, what am I doing here? Save me my cash. Yo, there's 37 people watching, family. Thank you for spending the morning. Even though we haven't taken any trades yet, we're being disciplined people, practicing discipline and patience. Not every day is going to be a trading day. You got to find good setups. Currently, if you guys haven't taken any trades, protect yourselves. Tomorrow is CPI, so I'm expecting us to have a lot more action tomorrow. We'll see what goes down. Geez, I wanted to get long at 200 and missed it. What do you owe $60 for? I bought 5 MFF rapid accounts and didn't apply the code to 2 of them. And I put it in. I'm pretty sure, at least for one of them. I mean, if I only missed it for one. The other 4 I put it in and still didn't get it pushed through. So I messaged them and they said that they would refund me if I haven't taken any trades yet. And so I'm waiting because I haven't heard back from her 20 minutes later. And I'm just waiting to see if they're going to refund the whole account, because she said a full refund. I don't know what that means. That means the whole account, or are you just going to refund the difference of what the $60 is? I'm not sure. Waiting for confirmation. Geez, I wanted to get long at 200 and missed it. Might be a blessing. We're into the 2s right now. One trade today funded 500. Let's go, Estonian. It feels weird calling you the Estonian trader. It's the Estonian assassin. I'm going to start calling you the assassin. Been trying to get long on gold, just haven't been filled. Yeah, I like that though. It'll play out. Be patient, Stops. Morning all just got on. Why didn't the sell look attracted to you? Matthew, it's not that it didn't. I actually tried really hard to put an order up here, the 289s, before I knew I couldn't take any trades, and I just got missed by like a tick before the sell. Sells were attractive. I just don't have my Tradeify accounts right now, so I missed the 15-minute range structure. And then when I did get in with my other accounts, I just missed the fill. And here we go. So this is just some experience, Sauce. This is just some experience. Your break even would have been completely fine. Completely fine at your break even. Now you could be targeting higher. You got to trust the setup, trust the system, trust the charts. How gross. When I did have my TP set, it was 246.50. Would have been missed by a half a point. Well, you would have just got crushed filled right there, King. Below the VWAP and all the EMAs on the 5-minute long seems scary to go with. I agree. It was just this weekend decompressed volume, trying to hold the lows, trying to push off the bottom. A lot of reasons that we could easily keep going, but if you get a short opportunity up around this daily opening print price and the VWAP, I would like that for a short. So I mean, I don't know how much higher you could target, bro. The 200s. Did you get filled? Came back from the 194s there. Did you get filled, Victor? Oh, I haven't reached out about that one. I fucked up on that. So that's cooked then. Laugh my ass off. I haven't reached out all about that one. I fucked up on. So that's cooked then. Yeah, if you already took a trade, then you're cooked. It's only $30 if you only did it once. But I did it twice. And I'm like, yeah, I want my $60. I want my $60. I need it. My money. Give me my money back. And she said, yes, we can do that for you if you haven't taken any trades yet. And I haven't. And I don't know why I failed my verification process, even though I already got payouts with Tradeify. Why did they need to verify that on me again? So lame. I didn't. I hesitated. Trust the charts, family. Trust the charts. Trust your setups. It's obviously easier to say when you're not taking any trades, but y'all got to trust the setups. Trust it to play out for you. Trust the charts. Trust probability. At the end of the day, that's all trading is. It's a probability game. Still lots of opportunities. Doesn't need to happen today. Can make it happen. I love that she replied to my message like minutes after I put it in. Said, can I get my refund? She said, oh yeah, you can do that for you if you haven't taken any trades. And I asked her 30 minutes later, I haven't heard anything back. Why? No, why? Ugh. Today is a goofy day. Couldn't trade my Tradeify account because I'm not really Tyler. And I couldn't get paid or couldn't trade on these. Timothy, did you end up passing those accounts yesterday? You trading on some fundage right now? How's that going for you? How gross. When I did have my TP, I hesitated. What firm can you trade metal unrestricted? Currently, Tradeify, Santiago. You can trade Tradeify unrestricted. I'm gonna short 250. I don't hate that. I don't hate it. Your stops would have to be above VWAP to be safe, so it's like a 47-point stop. So be cautious. But I don't hate it. I don't hate it, King. Buy more accounts. Go TPT. Are they the better prop firm right now? It's hilarious, Queen. Used to be Top Step, but they trying to keep a Goopa from gooping. Can't keep a Goopa down. Can't keep a Goopa from gooping. Come on, Sobs. Yeah, I passed yesterday. Haven't traded yet. Let's go, King. Proud of you. Today is the day you make mucho dinero. We have higher low, so be careful. Yeah, be careful with the 250s. King Noah, welcome in, sir. Hope you're doing well. Hope your trading's going well. Is this gonna be a no trade day for me because I can't trade my Tradeify accounts in MFF isn't getting back to me? Ty, can you not do bracket orders on group accounts in Trade of 8? No, you can't do bracket orders. You got to put your stops and profits in manually, King Noah. But it's okay. Just get used to it. You'll get used to it. But yeah, you got a bracket order. It's funny that I'm sitting on the side for $60, but guys, $60 is $60. That's like, you know, 3-4 meals right there. Probably three meals right there. 4 meals if you're good with your money and you go to grocery stores. This is the grossness that I usually bust in. Then be patient, King. If you recognize that, be patient. Hypothetically, right? Hypothetically, you should have still had your break even on at these 82s and just still letting this print up. You would have been tagged for the 50s, but yeah, was just making sure. Yes, sir, Noah. You got to put your orders in manually. The way that VWAP is curling down, though, I do think we're going to get a VWAP tap with that daily opening print price as well. Just because you have accounts doesn't mean you need to take trades, Saucy, right? Be patient. Something I do think you need to work on is being patient with your trades, looking for good setups, not just getting in, getting out, getting in, getting out. Find good trades, trust the setup, let it play out. I'm being hard on you because you need to hear it. You need to hear it. This is how you get better at this. Quick trades in and out is not sustainable. It's very easy to get caught in your emotions when you're acting like that. This is chop, means stay away. Very choppy, very tough price action. You don't like scalping? It's not that I don't like it, Victor. It's just that it's a lot more, especially if you're new. If you're an experienced trader, I like scalping. But if you're new to trading, I don't, because it just forces bad habits. It lets you get impulsively caught in your emotions, FOMO in, scarily close trades out of fear. Just poor trading habits, in my opinion. Okay. It's all love. He knows that. Always, always all love. Just trying to share value. I like that POV. Yeah, I mean, like I said, if you're experienced and you're actually taking scalps off of charts and looking for price action, quick volume, getting in, getting out, trying to just grab points, I like it. But when you're new to trading, it's super easy to take scalps and then not trust the setup, get caught in a wrong spot, over trade, over leverage, not close positions correctly. Just doesn't practice good trading habits. At the beginning, you should be looking for good setups, trusting the setups, getting used to letting the market play with you, without you, just letting it all structurally build. Check my average trading time is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I don't know what mine is. Let me take a look. I don't know if I can find that on these accounts. I feel like mine's longer than that. I don't know if there's any way for me to find out, because I'm always trading on... Is there a way for me to see? I know TopStep used to have a clear way to find. I like their little dashboard that you used to see all that information on, but I don't think Tradeify does, sadly. $100 tick chart execution. 100 tick chart, nice. I like scalping. The only time I go for the bigger moves that are open when we go hunt the previous session highs or lows. I like that, Queen. You do seem to get in and out more often than I do, but again, everyone has their own strategy. If Sauce wants to be a scalper, that's just something that he needs to like perfect and get good at. I'm trying to sell the one contract on silver, but I don't think it will let me on Tradeify. Depends on the platform that you're with, King. The prop firm. Finding some lows now, rejecting at those 50s. You took that 50 short, you would have been smashed right there, Saucy. I'm trying to sell one contract, 100 tick chart. Got to head out. Good luck on any trades you end up taking. Let's go, King. I appreciate it, Victor. Take it easy. Thanks for stopping by, as always. See you in the morning. 25 likes, 5 more guys. 5 more likes on a day like today, family. Show some love to the like button if you haven't yet. Looks like we're coming back down into these 80s. Would have been tagged for break even again there. But scalp also means get out when it gets against you. So no 100-point drawdowns for a 10-point winner. Yeah, that's hard, Danny. Facts, though, when you start, you think more trades equals more money. But the truth is, the less you trade, the more consistent you are. Danny, 100%, King. 100%. The less trades you take, the easier it is. 10, 20, 30. I'm a scalper. My average is under 1 minute. 10, 20, 30. I'm a scalper. My average is under 1 minute. Your average trade is under a minute, Corey? No way. No way. That's just so crazy. I don't think I have any trades that are that fast anymore. I don't think I have any trades that are that fast anymore. I like to push for... You guys see what I like to do. I like to push for ranges, push for holds, push for breaks, find outside edges, and let price move. I'm on Tradeify. Yeah, you should be able to, Noah. I think you should be able to try a mini. Metals is not restricted on there. They said they're going to give me a full refund for the accounts. So I don't think that... I think that means they're going to close the accounts. I'm not sure what that means. She isn't replying. Let me take my payout, Tradeify. Like, come on now. Long one at 87. Need 82. Need 237 to pass. Buying the bottom of the range again, huh? Not bad. I mean, hey, you're playing the range. That's what the straight is. If it holds and pushes to the other end, you're going to be good. If we start breaking through the range, then it's unlucky. But I like the setup. This is a good style. This is your style, yeah. That's my style, exactly. In the range, buying the lows, selling the highs. Hopefully it doesn't break through. Hopefully it doesn't break through there, King. After seeing this second rejection, I'm not as much of a fan of it, but that's just my style. There's a sweep of the lows. Got to see this reclaim now, back above this previous swing high, otherwise you might be in trouble here. Got to reclaim that previous swing low at the 69s. I feel like I'm getting sick or something. My throat's been super dry. Feeling a little congested. Not sick, but like just something in the air, you know what I mean? There's a sweep of the low, Saucy. What's your stop loss on? Where's your stop loss at, King? 52s. You gave yourself 30-point stop. Would the 42 liquidity be down here? That's scary. Show me some volume. I like that volume spike from the sellers. We could bounce out of here, but we got to get back above that EMA quickly. Otherwise, you're definitely on the wrong side of it. So now my only thing for what your strategy is, Saucy, right, is if you're looking for the range to hold, then it shouldn't break below by 30 points, right? Like, it shouldn't break below that by 30 points. You should be running a tighter stop than 30 points if you're trying to hold a range. Because if we're going to hold that 82s, we're definitely not going to rip down 30 extra points and go back in the range, right? So to validate your style and to validate that trade, you should be having a little bit tighter of a stop than 30 points. If that makes sense. I'm short. Let's go, Pat. Hopefully you get printed, King. Hope you join from a good price. Hopefully we actually continue the direction. Sauce is out of the trade now, so don't have to root against it. Here come that 42 for that next draw on liquidity. I took that long too, but got out at the 65s. So you were trading the range and got out at the 65s instead of the 52s. Which is a really healthy exit. You had it below the previous swing low, which makes sense, right? Because you were hoping to see this range hold, so we wouldn't have gotten a sweep through the low. If we did, danger. You'll have a good day, homie. See you tomorrow. More blessings. Peace. Aquin, I appreciate it, King. Take it easy. Thanks for stopping by, showing love. Hopefully tomorrow we're actually trading the Tradeify accounts. We'll see. I don't know. Maybe still gonna be identity failure. They don't believe who I am. So you lost 30 points there, Sauce, so you're back under $200 right now. So you're 200 in the red. No problem. Just a paper cut. You got this shit. Find a good setup now. She breaks that low. She's going and she went. She did, in fact, go. Excuse me. Sellers have been winning most of today, guys. Look at the 2 hourly charts. Very red. Very one directional. Previous day low around the 60s to the 100s. Could be crazy. Looking for a reaction and bounce. Excuse me. I like that. I do. I like that. Pretty boxy price action, guys. Not my favorite to see for February. Pretty boxy right now. Just give me your info. I'll request them. Wait, what do you mean, sobs? I took 40 points. Let's go, Pat. Trading like a king over there. 6 micros. Let's go, baby. What accounts are those on? I'll say I'm you and take your payout. Hey, maybe, look, maybe they'll believe you. You know what I think it is? Because my license picture is I have a bunch of my hair, and I feel like because of that, they didn't believe that I'm me. Is kind of what I'm thinking. Like here, I'll show you guys. I can't show you my actual license, of course, so give me 1 second here. But I'll show you something that you might laugh at. You guys might laugh at it, you might not. Let's see if I can even get it pulled up here. I gotta remember what it's called. That ain't it. No, that ain't it. Bum 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 bum. It's funny that I can't find it now. 1 second. Oh, there it is. Stop. Stop. I just doxed myself. No, I just did it again. Shit. This is my this is the picture. Oh wait. Do you bought new accounts? No, look. Well, I did. I bought new accounts, yes, but it's because I still have my accounts. It's just for some reason they up here, KYC rejected. So they don't believe that I'm actually me. It was identity rejected. Didn't pass the verification process. So I still have to every time I click request payout, it brings me to this page. Just I have a support ticket going with them. Haven't heard back from them yet, frustratingly, but yeah. And so I bought some new MFF accounts. We're just being patient. Not bad, man. I'll load up on some. I'm almost caught up on bills. Let's go, Pat. I love hearing that, King. That's what I needed it. That's what I needed to hear. Patriots signed Tom Brady to a 7-year deal, Saucy. That's insane. Could you imagine? That'd be ridiculous. Clip it out of the recording. Come get me. No, that's hilarious, though. No, that is hilarious, though. Oh, it's blurry, but you can see it. Look at the hair I used to rock. I used to rock all the hair. Way back when. NASDAQ finding deeper sells back into these 87s towards that 100 price you were talking about, Corey. We're getting closer to that fill. Kind of want to find an opportunity. I'm still waiting to hear from MFF. They just are slow. I feel like this is a fair chance to take a trade towards that previous day low at the 60s. I don't know if I'd have the gumption to do it myself, but damn, yeah, we're getting down there, Corey. Getting close to your fill at the 60s, man. Getting close to your fill at the 60s. No way they passed the KYC without a person review. No, they just don't believe that that's me, huh? What is the best bang for buck copy trading firm with straight to funded? I really like Top Step, but I've had mixed feelings lately. Straight to funded? You want to go straight to funded, King? Other preference was TPT for daily payouts. If you want daily payouts and straight to funded, well, at a 50K account, I think maybe MFF. Sorry, no activation. Okay. Then no it's either no MFF or Tradeify, King. MFF has daily payouts, no activation, really good cheap prices. It's either those two. The only thing I don't like about the MFF is that it's trailing drawdown above in the funded accounts. But if you're good enough at that, you can handle it. I'm trying them here. But Tradeify has straightforward rules. No trailing profit above when you're in funded. So if you want daily payouts and no activation fees and bang for buck, I really think it's Tradeify, King. Put your wig back on. They'll believe you. You didn't, no idea. It's got to be Ola Prime. It's got to be Ola Prime. Ola Prime. No shot. No shot. Finding deeper sells steering into the 70s still. Let's go, Saucy. You got this, King. Find a good trade. Right now, just selling. I like sitting on your hands. Be patient here. If your style is to wait for chop, then you got to wait for a little while to start seeing some structure. If your style is to wait for the chop and to find a range, you got to wait for a little bit. I might try them. You can copy 5. Yeah, you can copy 5, Pat. Should have held, but I wanted a base hit today. Well, if you followed your rules, you followed your rules. I like reverses too. If you're looking for a reverse trade, we have to see probably this previous day low wick down here at the 60s get swept, which we're coming into soon. This previous day low spot could offer an option, but those reverses are hard. You gotta like either be first, which is predicting the bounce, or trying to be on the retest. Do you still have your Tradeify accounts? Yes, I do, Loco. Yes, I do, King. Right here, every time I go to request a payout though, even though I'm above the buffer, doesn't believe that I'm who I am. Have a support ticket going to figure it out so I can request the payout, but yeah, currently not ideal at the moment. Thanks, sorry fam, I didn't even notice that popped up. There's 35 people watching. I truly appreciate y'all for spending the morning together, being a part of this community, even though we're not taking any trades yet. Just shows y'all are in the right spot. Focused on the community, focused on finding good setups, focused on the longevity of the game. Hope you guys made out with some money. Tomorrow is CPI, so be patient, be ready for that. I need one more day for Apex max payout. Do you know if they care if I lower risk to 1 to 2 micros for the last day? Been currently trading like 3 to 5. Theo, congratulations, King. Hope you grab that max payout, man. That's fucking amazing. And as long as you've had 5 winning days over 50, I'm pretty sure you can flip a micro. I would just make sure you hold it for like 10 seconds at least so you don't have a micro scalp. And then, yeah, man, I think you should be all set. Congratulations, man. That's fucking amazing. Be proud of yourself. I breached today 10 MFF flex challenges, but I have tomorrow another 10K payout on Lucid. Brother, I cannot trade evals anymore for real, man. Evals are tough. They're just tricky, Loco, but congratulations on the payout, man. That's fucking amazing. 10K payout is real. On Lucid, nonetheless. I breach all evals because I trade them just for fun and not serious. And then once you get funded, you take it more serious. Payouts all around the table. Wildflower hit a payout. GPT recently. Loco's crushing. My man Theo crushing a big old max payout. It's incredible. So what is that, Theo? Is that a 40 bag? You just make a 40K payout? Corey and I are trying. to get our payouts. We're right there. Corey, did you end up requesting your money, or are you trying to build buffer? I have 8 accounts right now. 8 accounts for a $16,000 banger. Proud of you, King. It's fucking amazing. Love seeing that. Coming back into the lows. I think if we get one more volume sweep towards that 160, it could be a chance for a bounce. Oh my gosh, he's finally replying to me at 1050. Don't need to worry about the funds from that failed order. Your bank or card provider will return the money to your account. Just so you know, when a transaction shows as failed on your dashboard, it means my funder didn't receive any funds. Temporarily holds the funds, but they will release them back to your bank usually within 1 to 2 business days. Thanks for your patience. I hope this explains help. Let me know if there's anything else I can do for you. No need to worry about the funds from that failed order. What? Wait, what? Guys, this is so goofy. Like, just let a brother eat. Just trying to eat some money. Let a brother eat. Let a player play. Let a goop a goop. Let a goop a goop. Yeah, that was not the answer. There just was no clarity there. I'm there, my man. I am requesting today. Let's go. I can request 2,000 on 2 accounts today if I stop right now, but mama didn't raise no B. Corey, lock in that $4,000, brother. Be proud of yourself. W is what firm, bro? Tradeify. I'm still at 0 payouts. I was $150 away from blowing my top step account on the volatility of gold, then moved on to NQ and slowly dragging myself out the hole at 900. Soul Dweller, you got this, King. First payout on the way, brother. I believe it. I see it. Keep showing up. You're going to get better every single day, man. They might mean the failed order when the bank blocked one. That's what I thought they were talking about too, Santiago. My bank blocked it, but then I already approved that, and unfortunately that was a 157 one. And so then now I'm waiting for them to get back to me on my actual monies. Because I thought so too. I think she was talking about the failed order from when I had the bank fraud. But the problem with that is I wasn't talking about that. I just need the difference made between the actual coupon codes. There's 2 accounts. 3140. Times 2, so $62.80 that they should be giving me. They might mean the failed order. That gold went on without me. Pulled my order well. Have to wait for tomorrow for a payout. Sobs, tomorrow you're getting a payout. I'm gonna rock one in with you tomorrow. It's well, King. Sucks that you got missed, bro. Proud of you for having good discipline today. Family, Amen. Welcome in, King. Appreciate you for stopping by, showing some love. Hope your trading's going well today. We haven't taken any trades. We've just been sitting here chilling. NASDAQ's finding new lows. Here come the 60s possibly. Hope you guys are finding sells today. Looks like we're going one direction. I'm going to be going ahead and getting out of here right now, family. Looks like I'm not going to be taking any trades. So we have 5 flex accounts to trade. Maybe. I got to figure all the information out with the support there. And then I have to figure out my Tradeify support. Hopefully I can get my payout out of there and then get those accounts rolling. So here comes a previous day low smash at the 260s. Maybe we can find a reaction here. Full port short. Let's go, Loco. Good luck. Everyone make sure you show love to this great video. I appreciate your work. Being the man. Peace, y'all. Take it easy, Saucy. Good luck, King. Let me know, keep me updated on how it goes for you. Take good setups, trust the charts, be patient, We need one more like. We need one like to end the stream on 30. If you guys are in here yet and you haven't shown any likes to the love button, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. You can get us over our 30 like goal. You can smash our goal for us. You can be the one. Late to the party, fam, but hope everyone caught a fat dub. Let's go, TLR. Welcome in, King. We haven't taken any trades, but I hope you did well. I hope you did well, King. He said, don't end it, Ty. I know someone in here going to do it. We got 5 minutes then. Someone hit that love button. NASDAQ still selling deeper into the 60s now than we expected, into the 40s. I think we could find a reversal out of here. But right now, the sellers are the winners. I think Lucid great, especially for beginners. They don't have monthly fees, only one-time payments. They have a one-time payment. That's true. It's a good point. It's a good point, Amy. There it is. Later, alligators. Take it easy, Saucy. Hey, good luck trading, King. I hope you pass or help you get halfway. Everyone else, much love. I appreciate every single one of y'all for stopping by, supporting the channel, supporting each other. Hope trading went well for you guys. I wish I could hit the like button twice. Truly great content. Let's go, Joel. Means a lot, King. But yeah, protect yourselves. Tomorrow is CPI. Got to be exciting. Hopefully we can end the week on a strong note on a Friday. But until then, I'll see you guys. Drink some sun. Get some water. Hug somebody you love. And let's have a great day, great week, and end the week strong tomorrow. I love y'all. Peace.